Okay, we are changing a manual sprinkler to an automated one. And these parts were not easy to find. So let me tell you, this is what we're taking off, and this is what we're putting on. So we're making my grandma's sprinklers automatic for her. Now, at our local Home Depot, all they had was Orbit, and Orbit, the Orbit brand, does not fit into our bases. So we ordered from, I'm gonna tell you because they were amazing. We had a smaller local sprinkler supply company that could order it in, but honestly, long story short, it was gonna take 3 weeks. So we ordered directly from Sprinkler Warehouse. I'm gonna let you zoom in and see this part number because after a lot of research, this will save you some time. This number on the box, it says CL-100-B. That B means it comes in a box. The other one will end with a C. It means commercial. It was the same part. It just means that this is shipped in a box from Sprinkler World. And they were awesome to work with. So SprinklerWarehouse.com is where we ended up getting our parts, and it was a lot faster and they actually fit. Okay. So what we're doing is we're going to be changing out both of these and making them automated. This top part just regulates the flow of the water that you're going to have. So it will adjust that manually from the top. This part right here, if you ever just want to turn your sprinklers on so they're not on the timer, you just adjust that and your sprinklers will come on. Turn this back off when you want your sprinklers to go off. Now, it does come with a gasket right here. So you want to make sure that you put this, when we take this off, we're going to make sure the gasket goes in here, and then we'll put this on there, and you'll wire both these wires up to your automatic timer. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay. So these have been here. My grandpa put these in and he passed away in '83. So these have been here a long time. And like I said, Orbit did not fit. These are Champion brand, and they say they fit Champion and other brands. Now, we don't know for sure what's already here because my grandpa's not here to ask, so I don't know what he put in. But we were just excited to find this company with these replacement parts. So we want to make sure that gasket stays in there so we have a tight seal and we don't have any leaks. And you guys, this is so easy. And it's going to save my grandma so much time because she is 96. Okay. We're going to open another box, another part, do one more. Okay, you want to make sure these are tight enough, but you don't want to over tighten them and break anything. Okay, so this is a big shout out to Champion because Orbit did not fit, and that's all Home Depot had. And also a big shout out to, let me make sure I get it right, SprinklerWarehouse.com in Texas. Took us about 4 days to get these parts. Our other local sprinkler supplier honestly messed up the order. It was going to take another 3 weeks. And remember that the B just means box, C means commercial. It was the same part, just means it's shipped in a box. So we're going to test these out because when you open these, it should just manually turn on the sprinkler. So we turned our water on. We do have water coming out of these. So remember that when you go to winterize your sprinklers, that this is what you open to get some of that water out in the fall. My grandpa has a pipe down here. It's about this big. So actually all of these we can run at the same time if we want to, because he's got so much water coming in, it can handle that load. So like and subscribe. This is the easiest way to change out your manual sprinkling system to automatic sprinklers. And like I said, the hardest part was finding the part. It's easy to switch it out and do it. So good luck. Like and subscribe.